Hello, my name is Nayan Barde. I'm from Nagpur, and I've been suffering from ulcerative colitis for the past 1.5 years. So it has been very frustrating since the symptoms were very disturbing. Like I have been constantly bleeding, my hemoglobin has been reduced. I was experiencing bloating, gases within my stomach, and it was really difficult to release those gases. I was also having loose motions, diarrhea, and as well as constipation. So everything combined really made life difficult for me. But ever since I also took Ayurvedic medications as well as homeopathic medications earlier over the course of this 1.5 years, but they never really showed much of any improvement in my condition. Um, but then I heard of Anandkunj and decided to give it a try as who doesn't care about getting better. So I just showed up here. They told me about auto urine therapy, SHIVAMBU. So for the first day, since I was very weak and I wasn't able to fast much, so they just gave me 1 day fasting. So I started taking SHIVAMBU at least 4 to 5 times a day. I started with it and then gradually increased it to 6 to 7 times. From the for first 2 or 3 days, Shivambu didn't have any side effects on me, or I didn't vomit or anything. Nothing happened to me as such. But from the fourth or fifth day, I started feeling better. My headache and other things disappeared. Apart from that, my bleeding profusely reduced. So that was the major improvement I noticed. Apart from that, I was mentally disturbed, pretty much disturbed, because when you're constantly suffering, you just keep on thinking that you're not going to get better. But the relaxation techniques which were taught to us here, like there were some things told to us while we were in Shavasana. So they kept on telling that we have to think that we are getting better, our body is healing. You just have to keep on thinking these positive thoughts. So these things made a lot of change. My attitude towards this disease changed. Now I think that I'll certainly keep on improving day by day. So each passing day, I'm going to get better. So these are the positive changes that I have noticed while being here at Anandkunj. Apart from that, the weather here is really nice, so it also helps you get better in terms of your health. And overall, the experience was very nice. The people here who are working are very caring and attentive. They'll make sure that you don't uh, keep on searching for things, and they'll just hand it over to you as soon as you get back to them. So yeah, I'd like to recommend to all those people who are suffering from autoimmune conditions, particularly, so that they can feel a change in their attitude first, so that that will help them counter the disease and find a cure for it. And probably with the proper diet that they have recommended for the next 3 to 6 months, my condition will totally heal and I'll start leading a normal life. So yeah, I'd like to thank Dr. Nitin Patil and his entire team for their efforts, and I hope I'll uh, come here again for a visit so soon. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.